Okay guys, here we start. We're gonna start to the side or in front of me, whatever you feel like. So we are gonna go lift up. From there, bend your knees, walk out. Very good. Come back in and release up. Peg and bend down. Walk out and come back in and up. This time we're gonna go down, come up, little pulse, come back in and up, and again down, release out, little pulse, stay there. From there, arm and leg go to the back and open. Very good. Come back in. Woo. Use your abs and come down. Leg goes. Arm goes. Open up. Come back in. And down. Don't you dare. And again. Leg to the back. Open towards the ceiling. Come back in. Legs come in. It's quite hard, still can do this at the same time. And out. Don't plonk it down like I just did. Control it. Back in. Very good. Knees down. Have a moment of rest. Like that. Very good. We're gonna do it again. So stand up from beginning. Only walking out and walking back in. Lift up. Roll down. Walk out. Back in. And lift. Roll down. Walk out. Walk back in. And roll up. Up. Roll down. Walk out. Little pulse. Come back. Roll. And down. Out, out. Little pulse. Stay there. Don't make the same mistake I did. Go with your leg first. Place it down. Extend to the ceiling. Come back in with your arm. Bring your leg back and down. And leg. Open up. Extend to the ceiling. Arm comes back in. Foot comes back in too. And again, leg. Place it down. It's kind of hard knowing that you've got to avoid a cat, because if you fall on it, you squash it. And down. And again, leg out. Put it down, feel the twist. Open up to the ceiling. Come back in. And down. Knees down. Don't you dare. Come back up. And breathe. Have a moment. Thank you, I can do things. From there, nice and easy flow. From there, same concept. We come out. We roll down. Extend. Come back in. And down. And again, roll down. Snake through. Lift up. And come back down. From here, we're gonna go roll down, snake through, and stick your bum out, release up, and again, snake through, all the way, engage your abs anyway, and stick your bum out, roll up, one more, down, Sneak up there. Stick your bum out. Roll up. One more, snake down. Roll up. And down. And very good. From here, we are gonna come over here. We're gonna go be nice and pretty. From here, we're gonna go curve in all the way, don't cheat it. So you go out to the side, to the back, up, and back in. If you want to wear socks just in case you're gonna get tucket burn. And extend. Up, and down. Down. One, same movement arm. Here, down. Down. One more. Up, down, down. Very good. Now that I figured it out, other way. So curve in, extend side, up, down. All the way, don't cheat it. Extend side, to the back, all the way. Extend, up, down, down. Last one. Up, up, down, down. Very good. Very nice to open up the chest. Butterfly. From here, extend up. Grab the opposite ankle. From there, we go and twist to the side. And up. Change around. Other way. And up. Two more. Up. Extend. Lift. Change. And lift. Very good. To the side. We're gonna go first thing first. Extend up towards the ceiling. Flex your feet. Flex your feet. Wherever your straddle goes, it doesn't matter. Lift it up there. Stretch those knees. Quads engaged. We're gonna go up and over. Now you release down. You brush over. Come up. Other way. Down. Up. Very good. Now you get this. And up. Again. From here, we're gonna continue. Down. Here. Place your hand to the back. Push up. And release down. Around. Push up. Down. I'm gonna turn around so you can see better. Yeah? Wherever you are, I don't mind, I don't care, as long as you're comfortable. We're not too comfortable because we're working out. From here, we start to the side. Up and over, around. Place your hands towards the back. Push up, push your hips up. Very good. From there, we go all the way around. Again, other way. Up, up. Down, down. Up and over. Down, down. Up and over. Down, down. Few more. Stay there. I lied. Hold it there. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Down, around, bend over. Try to reach down as much as possible. Hips are pushing up. Very good. Down, down. Relax. Come back to center. Big breath in. And well done. Well done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed dancing around and flying around your house.